Avenue. Adding a course outline. You can upload and link to any type of electronic file in your course. The most common use of this feature is to link to a PDF, or Portable Document Format document. PDF documents are used because most computers and smartphones can easily open them. The instructions in this video explain how to convert a Microsoft Word file to PDF format and upload a file, such as a course outline, to your course and link to it from the course homepage. Converting a Word document to PDF format. There are many versions of Microsoft Word on different platforms. Use this as a generic set of steps for this process. Your software might vary slightly. Use the Help function in your version of Microsoft Word for more information. Open the document in Microsoft Word. Click File. You may have the option to save as Adobe PDF, but if you don't see that option, you can click on Save As or Save a Copy. If necessary, enter a name for the file. Click on the Save As Type drop-down menu. Choose PDF. Click the Save button. Ensure that you can easily locate your PDF course outline on your computer. Adding a course outline. At the top of the course homepage, click on the Edit Mode toggle button in the upper right corner of the screen to activate the editing tools. The toggle moves to the right, indicating that course editing is now on. Hover your cursor over the dotted line between two activities or resources. The Add an Activity or Resource button, or plus icon, appears. Click on this icon. In the menu that opens, choose Activity or Resource. Select the file icon. In the General section, enter a descriptive name for the file link. Enter a description of the file link. In the Select Files section, drag the file into the File Drop area. After the file is uploaded, it appears in the Select Files section. In the Appearance section, click on the Display drop-down area. To help your learners stay grounded in the course, it is important to choose either Embed, which will display the PDF in a course page, or In Pop-up, which will open the PDF over the course page. Both of these options will help your learners stay grounded in the course. When you are finished, click on Save and return to course. The document link appears on the course page. Click on the document link. The document opens in a pop-up over the course page.